Are we recording? Poppy, are we recording? Let's switch this round. Right then guys, liven up. We're going to take something apart just to stick it back on for the sheer fun of it. Right, here it goes. On with the cap cam. Right, we got one of them. We got a Scent and Truggy. We got a Wimp beer because it's a school day. And let's go. Let's go into the old RC draw. And let's see if we can record this. We're not on the floor, Claire from Claire's RC, because this little beauty actually fits on the desk. With any luck, we're getting this on footage. We don't bother using our fingers to take them out. All the mod cons here. Right, so Poppy, don't nibble on that. Right, what shall we take apart just to stick back on? I think what I'll do is I'll have this front end off here. Just the bumper, nothing major. So, what we got to do for that then? Flip it over. And that'd be boring, wouldn't it? What I'll do is I'll whip all the wheels off and put some different ones on. Just for a laugh. Right, so what we got? We got these really fancy wheel nuts. I can't even remember where I got them now. I can't remember at all. Right, so what we'll do, something really technical, like some wheel changes. This is the tool that comes with the X-Max. This probably wouldn't work with the standard. Look at that, eh? 50 quid for one of them. Bloody bargain. Off we come. Yay, that was tight. There we are. See this technique now I'm teaching you? You put your finger in there and just flip and spin it. Eh? You've seen it here first. We off? See, it's off. 100 quid. 100 quid there. Billet aluminium 70 20 or whatever they are. Alright, we've got to be quick because Bell Enders is on soon, and Claire from Claire's RC has given me some sort of little temptation to do this, and I'm not one for letting anyone down. So even though I might not necessarily be in the frame of mind to do this, I'll do it anyway. 150 quid by there. Right, watch this. Let's try that. I just made this up. Look at that. Huh? Can't do it that easily with the standard nuts. Come on. Out we come. 200 quid there. Billet aluminium, 70-10. Off we come. And actually, do I really want to put different wheels on? Why don't I do something a bit harder? Right, so we've had the wheels off. Flip it back. Brain fart. Right, let's have the front suspension off, shall we? Now I've got the wheels off. Actually, that would be about a half-an-hour video. What do you reckon, Poppy? Hey! Don't chew that. It might be apparently unbreakable, but it ain't dog chewable. Over we go, over here. Oh, let's put them on for a laugh. You want to check these bad boys out? These are off the Arrma Barbarian XL. Not a bad car. Not a bad car at all, apart from the fact it's upstairs in a box, along with an Arrma Werewolf Pro that I'm going to give to a cracking young lad called Fergie. Recently added them on his friends on the Facebook, his mum and dad, which is great because I can now talk to the guy without feeling really wrong. Okay, so let's turn it back over. And I did once run it with these wheels on, and it was flipping hilarious because these tyres, no word of a lie, balloon to about the size of an actual dinner plate. Seriously. Right, we won't do them up too tight. because I'll be putting the original ones back on at some point. This is just for the purpose of the stupid video, because there ain't anyone on the planet that don't know how to change wheels. I was going to do something a bit more technical, but yeah, bell enders is on in 10 minutes. And whenever you've got a partner that watches bell enders and you get into it for about 6 months, you find yourself hooked. It's absolutely crap, but you're interested to see what Sonia's wearing. And Phil, fucking Phil. You're interested to see what sort of trouble Phil's getting into. Right, on we go. Here we are. Now then. You can see my reflection there. What a twat. Eh? Oi, oi. Oh, I bet you can see that all the way through. The reflection in the old computer telly there. Look at that. That don't look too bad, does it? Huh? But they seriously balloon to about there. All the way around. So you can't put any shell on that. In fact, they touch there. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Do the old drop test. Poppy, we're going to do a drop test. Oh, it likes to be dropped with them tyres. Look at that. Awesome. Right. That'll do. I'm bored of myself. Peace out, guys. What a bell end. Poppy, I'll just turn it off. There we are.